Hi everyone, it's Andrew from Mentally Learning. In today's video, we're taking a look at 10 French pitfalls English speakers fall into and how to avoid them. Stay until the end if you're interested to learn them and avoid also some pretty embarrassing situations you could find yourself in. Je suis chaud. Well, that is very wrong because it usually means that you're feeling, let's say, flirty. Instead, you're going to need to say either j'ai chaud ou il fait chaud. For example, en été, j'ai chaud. Second mistake, je manque toi. We don't say directly I miss you as je manque toi in French. We actually use an idiomatic expression which is the things that you are missing me manquent ou te manque and so on. Alright? For example, tu me manques quand tu n'es pas ici. Next in line we have ma amie. We usually try to avoid in French two vowels in a row. So we would actually say mon ami in this scenario. And yes, even for a girl. Or mon ami vient dîner ce soir. Next we have grand-mère. Now, grand-mère without a hyphen and grandmère with the hyphen are two different things. Grand-mère without a hyphen would quite literally mean a big, read with the sense of fat, mother. Okay, instead of grand-mère with a hyphen, which is the grandmother. So use the hyphen in French. Without it, it can be confusing. Ma grand-mère adore faire du jardin. My grandmother adores gardening, faire du jardin. Another common mistake it is actuellement, the use of actuellement to mean actually, when in fact actuellement means currently. So, an example of this would be actuellement, je préfère rester. Next in line we'll have prétendre. Now, prétendre, although it sounds like pretend, it doesn't actually mean to pretend, it means to claim or to have a claim on something. So, if you want to say someone pretends to do something, you would actually use faire semblant as an expression in French. Il fait semblant d'être malade. He pretends to be sick. Number 7. Sensible. Now, sensible, it doesn't mean sensible or reasonable. It actually means sensitive. In French, sensible means emotionally sensitive, not logically sound or sensitive. So, for that, we would use raisonnable. C'est une personne raisonnable. Another false friend of yours could be éventuellement, which doesn't mean finally or eventually. It actually means possibly or maybe. So, if you want to express finally or eventually, you would use finalement. Finalement, j'ai accepté. Finally, I accept it. Next in line, we have assister à versus aider. Assister à actually doesn't mean to assist with something, but rather to attend something. Alright? While if you want to express that you want to help, you would say je veux vous aider. Okay? You would use aider, which means to help. J'assiste à la réunion. I attend the meeting. Je peux t'aider. I can help you. Now, monnaie is easily confused with money, which is not. In French, it doesn't mean money, it actually means coins or change. So, to refer to money, you would actually use the word argent. J'ai besoin d'argent. I need money. If you like this video and would like to learn more about how we can help you learn French, check out the description box for information about our masterclasses where we teach by topic both grammar and vocabulary. Don't forget to look out for the second link as well and help us shape our upcoming platform Mentally Learn in order to deliver more educational content and engaging content like this to you from us as well as other tutors. For now, bye bye.